rice per hectare than anywhere else in the world. It's perfectly suited to Australia's variable, even developed varieties with special nutritional quality. Rice can only be grown on approved soil. Start preparing their rice fields in July and August, laser levelling their paddocks, pulling up banks and applying fertiliser, which helps the rice to grow and stay healthy. Rice growers sow the crop from October to early November. This can also be sown using a combine or other type of seeding machine. Farmers keep permanent water on their rice crops for all or most of the growing season, depending on the way the crop has been sown. Concrete stops between the rice bays allow water to flow from one bay to the next, and growers raise or lower the doors to control water flow. The water is used like a blanket to protect the rice crop from variations in temperature. During January and February, very important, as this is when the rice head forms and seeds develop. As the grain starts to mature, the farmers lock up the bays. This means the stops between the fields are closed, so no more irrigation water flows in, and the rice crop user locking up too early will decrease the yield. Grain contains about 22% moisture. The crop is ready to harvest. Harvested from March to May using machines called combine harvesters, commonly referred to as headers by farmers. Grain from the straw. This is called threshing. After the rice has been cut and threshed, it is stored in a bin in the harvester. When the bin is full, the harvester transfers the rice to another bin being pulled by a tractor. Operate. This saves the farmer a lot of time. When the rice is harvested, it is called paddy. Trucks transport the paddy to rice storage sheds for drying. The paddy dries in the shed until it contains about 14% moisture. After this, it is held in storage until it is ready to be transported to a rice mill. When the rice arrives at the rice mill, each individual grain must then go through a number of steps to ensure only the best quality grains end up on your dinner plate. Firstly, the outer layers must be removed to separate the grain from its cocoon, the rice plant. This is called hulling. Rice milling produces very little waste, so this plant matter is